Hello, knife people. This is Fallkniven F1, which has some minor edge troubles around the belly, around here. So I need to restore these problems. I have two stones. This is sharpening, Hano Kuromaku, or Pro, or M24 series, 24 mil maybe. 2000 grit green stone. This pinkish stone is Chosera, 3000 grit finishing stone. These are enough for this regular VG10 steel. So yeah, shallow enough. I ground down this fat geometry from the top. A few years ago. Don't rotate the blade, just tilt the handle. To sharpen this important belly line in order not to shallow the belly line. This is already shallow enough because of my former wrong sharpening. I touch the burr to see the apex is finished or not. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is okay. Yeah. this must be enough to restore the minor troubles. So let's check the edge condition. Yeah, fairly well. So, just a moment. Let's check how this performs. DBK strop, very thick and hard leather, which doesn't take the edge very deep. Anyways, 0.25 micron, 0.5 micron diameter sprays are applied. So first, I already knew the effectiveness of the 2 microns. 0.5 is enough to finish up the edge, but this isn't very fine, too fine to finish up the edge in my experience. Let's not push the edge strong, because the leather is not so thin as DLT stuff. .25 micron. Around here, not strong enough. This side, 0.5 micron. Oh, I forgot. I shouldn't push the blade. It's my custom on the DLT stuff. .5 micron. Wow! A minor notch still remaining here. Yes, this side, at this position, strongly. A little is remaining. So let's try my regular bark river white compound on the DLT strop. This belly line is deep low. Yes. Yeah. Very little problem is remaining. 0.5 micron. Oh, I forgot. This is thick leather. Okay, completely finished. This is the perfect edge done by the two strops. This DBK stuff, well done, very well done. But this diamond 0.25 is too fine to finish up the edge after sharpening on the water stones. White, backgrip white is strong enough. I feel like 0.5 diamond is comparable to this backgrip of white compound. I feel like this is stronger. Anyways, this reverse slant handle prevents my thumb from stretching over the blade. So this is not suitable for side holding. In conjunction with this kind of thick, a halfway thickness for this holding, not enough for this holding, too thick and straight, which doesn't fit into my palm. So eventually, this is not a hunting knife, but a very small, compact stainless steel, which is the regular steel though. Anyways, this is so to say great bushcraft no survival knife in very small package. I currently like this. Thank you for watching. See ya. Bye bye.